At Esprit, we believe that software needs to be relevant and easy to use. As a machine manufacturer, we designed our own CAD/CAM software, Procut, over 30 years ago. Since then, our software team have developed and improved Procut continuously. We tested and improved Procut on our own machines over the years with one aim: to give our customers access to powerful software that is extremely easy to use for drawing, nesting and cutting. Procut's capabilities extend beyond TrueHole with XPR systems. Now you can cut superb 8mm holes in 10mm plates or 20mm holes in 25mm plates using Esprit's Smart Hole technology. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to use Procut and to get access to TrueHole technology and smart leads. We start by importing a customer's DXF file into Procut. Whatever CAD package you use, you can import any DXF file into Procut. This will give you instant access to our technology and save you time as you don't have to redraw. In the next step, we tidy up the DXF file so we just have the item we want to cut. If you have a plasma cutting machine with an XPR system, you'll get the best hole cutting quality on carbon steel by using Procut. There's no software out there that is better. The next step is to produce a manual nest simply by using autocopy. Advanced automatic nesting is also available. The nest will take 7 minutes and 6 seconds to produce. Using a network connection or a USB key, the nest is loaded onto the Edge Connect and produced on the Esprit Lightning HD machine with the XPR 300. If you need high quality holes in your parts, please get in touch to learn more about how Procut and Esprit can help.